Hey guys, in this video I will show you how we can fix Madden NFL 25 lagging, freezing and stuttering issues. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go and search, write edit power plan. Then you need to go to power options, and then on power options select high performance if you don't have ultimate performance. If you don't have ultimate performance, then select high performance and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then go and search Windows Update, settings, Windows Update, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. Same thing with your GPU drivers. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is GeForce Experience to that. I just need to go to drivers, check for updates, and install latest drivers for my GPU. If you're using AMD, there is AMD Radeon for that, or simply you can go to Device Manager, then on Device Manager, expand display adapters and right click and update drivers here, right? And after that, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then go to the client where you got Madden NFL 25. So in my case, it's EA app. Go to library, go press on the three dots and then repair game. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. And once you do that, then press on the three dots here, view properties, browse, then here press on the blank space and copy the game path, right? Then what you need to do here is to go on search, go to graphic settings, then here press browse and paste the path and add exe file. I already did this, so as you can see here, specified app is already added. And then once you find Madden NFL 25, go to options and make sure it's on high performance, right? Then go up, go to change default settings and make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is enabled. And then once you're on this window, go to gaming, go to game mode, and then make sure game mode is on, right? The next step, what you need to do here, depending on where you got the game, if you got an EA app, go on EA, press on the three lines here on the top right, left, then go to help, go to app recovery and clear apps cache and look if the problem persists. If you got the game on Steam, what I suggest to do here is to go on Steam, press on the Steam settings, then open up this window here, go to downloads, and then on downloads, clear your downloads cache and look if the problem persists. Then what you can do here, you can close Steam here, then open up search and then just write run. Right, and then here you just need to write temp%, right? Press OK and delete all the files from this folder. Don't worry about it, it's just the temporary files that can be just deleted, right? Of course, some files will not be deleted because you're already using now currently on your computer, but nevertheless, it will free up some space, and don't forget to delete these files from your bin as well. And then let's go in-game. In-game, go on settings here and then go to graphic settings, and on graphic settings make sure that Windows mode is not in borderless window, it's on full screen. Basically the game will run more smoother with the full screen. I'm just recording tutorial, so for me it's more convenient borderless window, but make sure it's on full screen. And then frame rate, if the game's stuttering, lagging, just try to lock the FPS to 60, right? And look if the problem persists or not. Also turn off VSync, high dynamic range, then rendering quality, it's also make it to low. And then as you can see here, just turn off all the options here, and also make the texture quality on low, motion blur, and just copy these settings, and your stuttering issues should be solved, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.